Okay, so for today's worksheet, we've got a problem that says, at Starbucks, the normal distribution of the number of seconds it takes for a customer to receive their order is approximately normal with a mean of 276 seconds and a standard deviation of 38 seconds. So our standard deviation is going to be our sigma, which is 38, and a mean of 276 seconds, which means the peak of the bell curve is going to be 276. And we're going to fill in the rest of that. So the peak is always going to be our 50%, and then 84%, 97.5%, 16%, and 2.5%. Okay, and filling in the rest of that standard deviation is going to be 314, 352, and going the other way, we have 238 and 200 even. Okay, and then load in those z-scores, get 0, 1 to the right, 2 to the right, and then 1 to the left, and 2 to the left. Okay, so the question says, what percentile would somebody be with a z-score of 1? So we're gonna find our z-score of 1, just look up. It's gonna be our 84th percentile, so we've got 84%. That's just gonna be our answer. Then it also says what percentile, and then using our z-score of 1.59, we're just gonna find it on our graph here, go 1.5 all the way to the right to get 9441. So 0.9441 times 100 to get a percent gives us 94.41%, or that's gonna be our percentile. Okay, and the next question says, what percentile would someone with a raw score of 250 seconds be in? So that's going to give us z is equal to 250 for our raw score over our mean, or our mu, over 38 for our standard deviation. And then doing all that gets, so you do 250 minus 276 over 38 gets negative 0.684. Okay, and that rounds to negative 6.8 for our z-score. Then we're just going to use that graph or that table again to find our percentile. So we're going to go to the negative side this time, and we're going to go to negative 0.6, and then all the way over to 8 to get 0.2483. Then we're going to multiply that by 100 again to get 24.83 for our percentile. Okay. And the last question says, what percentile would someone with a raw score of 210 seconds be in? Hurry. Okay. And the last question says, what percentile would someone with a raw score of 210 seconds be in? So we're just going to plug that into our formula again. So it's going to be z equals 210 with our mu, or our mean, of 276, all over our standard deviation of 38. And we're just going to print this out again. So 210 minus 276 divided by 38 gets us negative 1.736, which rounds up to 1.74 negative. And then we're just going to put that into our table again. Okay, so go down to negative 1.7 and 1, 2, 3, 4 to get 0.0418 times 100, and that gets us 4.18%, or percentile. Thanks for watching today. We'll be back with another Algebra 2 video, and next one's going to be over pre-cal, so be sure to visit that one. Thank you. Subscribe.